He is not getting Elizabeth Cyperta back. That is not happening. That's what the evidence shows in this case. So if you look at all the circumstances, all the statements, all those things over a period of time, it proves beyond a reasonable doubt that he was acting with malice and that he was acting with premeditation, specific intent to kill whenever she disappeared. We don't have her body. I can't tell you that her neck is broken or that she was shot or that she was stabbed or beaten or strangled. We don't have that. But what I'm telling the court is we don't need it. We can prove a murder in the state of Iowa without the body. We have plenty of circumstantial evidence that proves the elements of murder in the first degree beyond a reasonable doubt. We have plenty of evidence that shows what his state of mind is. Not just one incident, and not just at one period of time in their history. This is over a period of over 2 years that we have this threatening behavior, that we have his threats to kill, his harassing phone calls, all of those things, every bit of it.
And after all the evidence has been presented and we conclude these proceedings, we are no closer to knowing the answers to the basic questions that we set out to determine at the beginning of this tragedy back in 2000. The who, the what, the when, the where, and the how as it relates to Elizabeth Cyperta's disappearance. The state has set forth a case based on hearsay and speculation and conjecture against Mike Cyperta. Clearly, Mike Cyperta is not a well-liked individual by any of the state's witnesses. The only thing that the state has managed to prove is that Mike Cyperta, probably not the most ideal boyfriend or husband that most people would choose for their daughter.